Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, in case you haven't been here before. And today I am going to show you my go-to casual makeup look. And I'm going to share with you what I'm using, and or just going to chit chat together. First thing I'm going to go and put on my eyelids is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden. I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow base. I'm going to start off by using this lighter color that's called, I think, Strange, right? Yeah, Strange. And this is the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. Now I'm going to go in with color Nooner. This color right here, and that's going to go into my crease. And now before blending that Nooner color, I'm going to use this lighter color right here, and I'm going to put this on the inner corner, and yeah, I'm going to be packing on this Caia, that extra hydration setting mist, just to intensify that color before putting it on the eyelids. Now I'm just going to use a clean fluffy brush to blend these shadows together and make them seem more seamless. This eyeliner pen has almost gave out on me, but this is the only one I have right now that I can find, and I don't feel like digging. But this is the Essence eyeliner pen in waterproof. And I'm going to do a little bit of a cat eye, I think, but not too much. Really no cat eye, really. Just do that before going in with my other eyeliner pen and mascara and probably lashes. Now I'm going to go in with the Joah Make Her Jealous eyeliner, just to put on the waterline and make sure there's no, sparse spaces. The mascara I'm using today is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Now I'm going to use a combination of the LA Girl, or the LA Colors Drama Lash in Diva. Those lashes with the Duo Quick Set Lash Strip Adhesive. And that is what I'm going to use to do my lashes. Alright, to prime my face, I'm going to use the Joah Pore Deactivator Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer. Even though I have dry to normal skin, this mattifying primer, I don't feel like dries my skin out. It has a silicone type of feel to it, but I don't know how to explain it. I just really like it. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer as my concealer. I love this stuff. I've loved it for years now. I like to use foundation after my concealer. The concealer is just for extra coverage, really, for me. And I'm going to use the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, and this is in the color Rose Beige. I love this foundation so much. Thank you, Ada, for sending it to me, and I think it was from our last box swap. I love it. I can't wait till our next box swap. It's coming soon. I'll leave her channel link in my description box below. We we send each other box swaps about every 6 months, once on her birthday around September, and my birthday, which is in March, is coming up, so stay tuned for that one. And this box swap we're doing is $300 worth. Wasn't meant to be, but then she went over, so I went over too. She said I didn't have to, but I wanted to, so. Alright, now I'm going to set my foundation with the Joah Selfie Ready Setting Powder in Translucent. I'm going to set right under the eyes using this little fluffy brush, and then I'll use a big fluffy brush, if I could open it, for the rest of my face. Alright, now I'm going to use the Caia, that extra hydration setting spray, just to set my face before finishing up the rest of my makeup. I'm going to go with the 2 darker shades that I did on my upper eye, my eyeshadow look, the Nooner and Liar, and then I'm going to go into the bottom lash line with it. So I'm going into Nooner first. Just kind of do that. And then I will get that fluffy brush, or a fluffy brush, a clean one. I'm just going to kind of blend it out. Now I got the Liar color on my brush, and I'm going to put that kind of on the inner. I'm going to go through the bottom just a little bit and kind of smoke it out with the other side of the brush, but not too much, just where it blends in together a little bit better, like so. I'm going to go ahead and coat my bottom lashes with the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, just like I did the top. While my mascara dries, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil to do my brows. And now I'm going to use this Milani Rose Powder Blush 02 Floral Fantasy. And I'm going to use the darker shade in it right here to kind of not only use it as a blush, but almost like a contour, and to just give color to my face. Yeah. And the lip product I'm using to finish up this look is the Makeup Obsession Revolution Beauty lip gloss, and it is in the color Hooked. Right, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this little go-to everyday casual makeup look that I created today. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye!